Guitar. Keeping in mind the desire to offer people musical instruments that need really little playing method, a guitar can be used in open tuning. There are lots of other open tunings. This enables someone to play without a fancy left-hand method, considering that ideal chord sounds when striking the strings. You can use the instrument in the exact same method as a slide guitar by moving along the strings with a difficult item such as a claves. In this method, I can play the guitar with one hand while my other hand is beating a drum, and I can sing at the very same time. Accordingly, I can create the qualities of earth when playing a rhythmical bass, water when playing in an ever-changing flow, fire. Think about the flamenco guitar, and air, specifically when playing melodically or using chords with the moving method.